Welcome to AI Mentor. Today, we'll explore our daily routine, share some fun moments, face challenges, and highlight unexpected surprises. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.
What are the key safety regulations that construction workers in the USA must follow? Construction workers in the USA must adhere to OSHA regulations, including wearing personal protective equipment, following safety protocols, and maintaining a hazard-free work environment to prevent accidents and injuries. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you next time for more adventures. Your support helps us continue our work. Here are 2 easy ways you can contribute. The first one is support us on Buy Me a Coffee. A simple and direct way to make a one-time donation. Every contribution helps us create more valuable content. The second one is join our Patreon community. Get access to exclusive content and resources. We offer both free and paid memberships, so everyone can join. Free members get a variety of creative resources. Paid members unlock extra perks and exclusive content. We are so grateful for your support.